Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cook and Bake with V Shetty. As Christmas is around the corner, here I am sharing the recipe of a fruit cake. So this cake is not the traditional one where you need to soak the fruits and nuts in any alcohol or any non-alcoholic juices for months together, and you need to feed the cake so that it is moist and can be stored for a longer duration. So this cake is a very simple one. Though it is simple, it results in a moist and tasty fruit cake. For this, you need 1 to 1/4 cups of dry fruits and nuts. So you can use fruits and nuts of your choice like walnuts, pecans, sunflower or melon seeds, pistachio, cashew, cranberries, raisins, apricots, or candied cherries, or any tutti frutti of your choice. So soak the fruits and nuts in half to 3/4 cup of grape or orange juice. So here I'm using grape juice. So you need to soak at least for 1 to 2 days so that the fruits and nuts will absorb the juice well. In a bowl, mix the semolina flour and milk. So here I have taken 1 cup of fine semolina flour, also called as fine suji or chiroti rava. So I am mixing 1 cup of semolina flour with half plus 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. So mix the semolina flour with the milk, combine it really well and keep aside so that the semolina flour absorbs the milk. Next, take half cup of any flavorless oil like coconut oil or any vegetable oil of your choice. Whisk the oil with half cup of jaggery powder. You can replace jaggery powder with coconut sugar or brown sugar, or even you can use granulated white sugar. So I'm combining the oil and jaggery powder using a stand mixer. You can do it using hand blender or even you can whisk it manually. Now I'm adding 3 large eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. So you need to beat the eggs one at a time. If needed, scrape down the sides in between. Add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract to the mixture. I am scraping down the sides with the help of a spatula. In a separate bowl, mix in the dry ingredients. half cup of all-purpose flour or maida or plain flour, half cup of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So mix these dry ingredients. Next, add the dry ingredients, then soaked fruits and nuts along with the juice and semolina mixture in batches to the whisked wet ingredients. So all three I'm adding in batches. You need to beat the mixture until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Meanwhile, I have preheated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, that is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll be using a loaf pan to bake the batter. So I have also prepared a loaf pan which is greased with oil and lined with a baking paper or parchment paper. Make sure to scrape down the sides in between. Once the batter is ready, transfer it into a prepared loaf pan. I'm using few almond slices to garnish on the top. This is totally optional. Bake the cake batter in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 40 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Keep an eye while it is baking since every oven is different, so baking time might differ. So you can see the sides have slightly separated from the pan. And a stick or toothpick inserted comes out clean. So this indicates that the cake is ready. Let the cake cool completely. Then with the help of a knife, carefully separate the sides of the cake from the loaf pan. Slice the cake with the help of a knife. You can keep this cake outside at room temperature for 2 to 3 days, or even you can store the cake in the refrigerator for about a week or 10 days. Do try this fruit cake this Christmas and enjoy with your family and friends. I would like to hear your feedback in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you for watching.